Hi everyone, my name is Iyi Omotunde. I'm a certified digital marketing specialist, 10x Meta certified, and digital marketing expert. I've been in this industry for a couple of years. I've tested a lot of things with my digital marketing skills. And in this 10 days digital bootcamp, this is just the overview. This is just a review of what you're going to get in this course. I quickly want to walk you through what you're going to get at the end of this. This is a 10 days digital marketing training for network marketer. Irrespective of any network marketing that you are, the skills you are going to learn are applicable. Like I said, I'm also a networker as well. So it simply means I'm talking to the kind of audience based on experience, and you're going to be seeing all that. And the day one is of this training is going to be training overview, feasibility setup. Yeah, you're going to know how to which platform you're going to set your availability, data connection. What are the data that we need, which we are going to be working on as we proceed in the training. The second day is going to be search engine optimization, how you're going to optimize your content across media, talking about social media, talking about even from the creatives, from Canva and other places, YouTube, Facebook, blogging, e-commerce. How do you optimize your content in order to be able to have the kind of visibility that you want? This is the business of visibility. The more visible you are, the more likely you are going to get prospect, the more you're also going to get more sales. It's the game of number, and you need that visibility. Another thing in day three is digital business presentation. A lot of people are still presenting their business in the old way, like the way it's been born 20 years ago. Things have moved to the internet. And if you are not on internet now, it's going to be very hard for you to succeed in your business. You might even get frustrated because inflation is rising, the companies are increasing their products. So people that really know the product are people that are search for hits and are ready to pay any amount to see it, to get it. And that's one of the reasons you have to do online. And that's one of the reasons your presentation has to be a digital presentation, not bring one, bring two, not walking around the street, not disturbing friends and family. How do you do digital presentation under 2 minute pitch that someone would decide to be part of your business, either from WhatsApp, for from chats, from Zoom call? How do you do that? So digital presentation for your business, you are going to learn that. In day four, content creation. So how do you create all kinds of engaging content that will attract people? The content you can also use for running out the content for your SEO, search engine optimization is key. I need to point it out, and if you know you are leaving your business in the next 6 months, if you know you are leaving your business in the next 1 year, this training is not for you, because there's some certain things that we're going to do inside this training that it will not manifest to the minimum of 6 months and 1 year, and that is SEO in that part. So when we do paid advertising during this same training, we do paid advertising. During the paid advertising, you can use paid advertising to get immediate results. However, as a digital entrepreneur, you don't want to be waiting for every time you run ad before you make sales. That's why SEO is coming for your long term and also short term good. Okay, so how do you create the kind of content that will give you relevance and visibility for that? The video, that's what you're going to learn in day four. In day five, you're going to learn how to actually set up a product website. And don't be afraid if you don't know how to set it up, this up. There's a walkthrough on how to do that, and there's also a template already that you can also use for that. And at the end of this slide, wait, you are going to see my phone number there, so you can. It's also going to be in a group where I'm accessible for everybody. Then in day six, your business cannot survive without blogging. And this is blogging for sales. It's not just about writing content, blogging for sales. How do you blog for sales? Those are the things that you are going to learn. Then again, day seven, you're going to learn about Facebook ads, from engagement ads to dynamic ads to ads that clicks to WhatsApp to traffic ads. Those are the things you're going to learn in day seven. On day eight, you're going to learn how you can put your business on the search results, on search results. That when people come, most people that go to Google to search, these are people that are 90% ready to buy. So how do you position yourself on the search results? That is what we're going to learn in day eight. In day nine, you are going to see how Google Analytics and Google Search Console will help you to make an informed decision. For example, you'll be able to see from things that were done from day one to day eight, you'll be able to see where people are checking your business from. You'll be able to see that. Where people are checking from, you're going to be able to see that. Where you should position yourself, the age bracket you should target, what are the products that you need to push out based on the data that you have been able to gather. Those are the things you're going to, because now you cannot succeed without data-driven approach, especially when it comes to digital. Again, these things are simple. You are going to see how simple it is. For some of you that have been on my YouTube channel before, you see that how simple it is. Uh, any of my training, whatever that I talk about, the free training as well, how simplicity is. Simplicity is beauty. So don't worry. You don't even need to know anything. Either you're a beginner, even either you are intermediate, either you are expert, you are going to get this. It's step-by-step approach. Then day 10, you are going to learn how you can. Your business is not just only meant for your state, it's not meant for your environment. You can start building an international business. These are the things I've done. Everything that I'm going to talk about in these 10 days, you are going to watch training, everything in this 10 days training my experience. So you're going to be seeing how did that make sense in UK, in US, in Canada, in Ghana, in Uganda, Tanzania. How do you do all that? How do you recruit outside your zone? How do you do all that? So these are the things you're going to learn in day 10. There's a lot of bumper packages, and the training fee is just 50,000 naira for the 10 days training, and that's how cheap it is. Then again, some people will think at the end of the day, oh, I cannot do this myself, I cannot do that by myself. I can also uh help you to do some certain thing for yourself, not just certain thing, just to make you succeed as well. However, the training cover do it yourself, right? Training cover do it yourself simply means for you to have a blog, for you to have a website, you need to have what we call domain and hosting, and that costs money. However, if you decide that, okay, even after the training, oh, you want me to do it for you. So there's an additional cost for that. And what is the breakdown of this cost? The breakdown of this cost is domain and hosting for 1 year and development fee to set up e-commerce blog. I'm sure you going to show you what e-commerce is and what the blog is, and recruitment lead, like when people check your video on your content, how you can collect that information. Those are part of the things you're going to learn in this video, in this course. However, from my experience, there's always set of people that are like, okay, yes, I understand, but I want you to do it for me. So if you are in that category, this is actually optional, 100% optional. But if you're in that category, this is how you are going to, this is actually exactly what is going to happen for that. And this is account detail 0011518168 GT Bank. You can do the transfer to get started. At this section inside this particular landing page you have right now, you're also going to see the account number and how to get started joining our WhatsApp group, make your payment, send the proof of payment to the WhatsApp group, then the activation of your LMS class is going to be activate, and you receive an email to that effect, and you start your class. Then I'm also always available. That's why we're having a general group. I'm also to answer each of your question and answer on the way. It's instructor-led training, and I'm always going to be available in that WhatsApp. So this is just the brief of it. Once again, the WhatsApp is, you still see it. You still also see WhatsApp icon on this landing page. Can look either bottom right or left. You're always going to have a WhatsApp link there. Things are going to link you to that WhatsApp. However, the number is still 234-802629-8030. Either from, you are from Kenya, you are from Tanzania, Uganda, Nigeria, Ghana, anywhere you are, UK, US, around the world, this is for you. I see you inside the class.